Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. Today I'm at New Jersey setting up apartment for my daughter. So I found Dollar Tree nearby, so I thought I should get some essentials and start, her home. So let me start with this cute princess type mirror. I thought it will be helpful for her. So I got one of these. Foam hair rollers in case she wants to curl her hair, because she went so natural products, so she's not using heating iron anymore. So this is one of the ponytail back and white. So this is one of the things that she likes recently. So I got one of these. And this is some microfiber facial pads to remove the makeup and exfoliate your skin. This is one of it. She likes a lot. And one spa towel. This is so cute. So I got one of these as well. And some Q-tips, cotton balls, some nail polish remover with acetone. This is really a good product and it just cleans our nails so well. So I got one of these as well. Some rose infused bath sponge. I want to see how this smells. It smells amazing from outside, so I want to see how it turns out after using. So I got one of these. And I got this loofah soap. We always love this a lot, so I got one for her. This is lavender flavor. So one of the loofah soap and one strawberry coconut Yardley soap. I got a couple of them. This is one of the things that I like. And one pear soap. And I got some antibacterial hand soap, which is in the lemon or lime. So this is one. And I also got dial hand soap, lavender and jasmine, nice flavor. So this is home. And some jade facial roller. This is very cute and cool. I found this in one of the drugstore like for $5 or $6. So I thought like it's a cool product for $1. So I got this home. And some bamboo charcoal toothbrush. I haven't seen this in Dollar Tree before, so I thought this would be cool. So I got a couple of these as well. Some combs. I don't know which one she will use. I just brought the whole bunch. Which one she might like and use. I just got some of this. And this one is cool stuff for people who are in small apartments. They can hang their socks or things like that. So this in the closet, they can leave it in the closet. So yeah, this is one of the things that I got. My daughter turned vegan and she's not using bottle shampoos anymore, so she's buying these kind of shampoo bars for crazy expensive prices. So I thought I should surprise her with these two items. They were in 3 flavors, one with seaweed something, and I got one in pink and purple. And this one is basically coconut oil with olive oil, moisturizing formula. So it's berry blast. And it comes with a container that you can, use for traveling as well. Isn't this cool for $1? So I got one in purple as well. This is argan oil with coconut oil. So I thought this was a really cool product for $1. So we're going to try it out and give it the review. And some clothespins. I don't know, she might use it for drying stuff around the house. So got one of these. And some mothballs. I have like 20 of them, so she might need it. So, and this is also some of the Scotties. I got big and small. Have you seen this? This is such a cool stuff. I know I'm not a big fan of electronics from Dollar Tree, but this one looked really interesting. So I just got one of these. Let me see how this works out. And I got this hanger over the door. I wanted to get it in silver. Looks like they were all gone. I also wanted some hangers. I couldn't find it. So some cleaning supplies. I got some latex gloves. There are 8 of them. And I got some quick erase disposable sheets. These were like really handy. This is really helpful, so I got that. And some refill hand soap, and this actually comes handy if you want to spray it around the house, and I usually do it in the sinks, and my sink smells good, so I thought this will be helpful. Food products, I love this moon pie. It looks so cute and it tastes good too, so love moon pies from there. So I got one of these, and some Himalayan pink salt. We always like Himalayan pink salt from there, and baking soda, and these are cool too. We love this. Got one of those. And some spices. I'm not showing all of them. I got like a bunch of spices from there which are important for cooking. I got crushed pepper, and this is something interesting that I liked there, sriracha salt, and we liked it in the past, so I got one of these as well. And some hooks, clear hooks to hang stuff around, some skewers if she wants to do kebabs, and some microfiber cleaning washcloths, and for some sandwiches if she wants to pack, some plastic cling wrap, and I had some aluminum foil as well, and some wax paper, and some tray to make some brownies. Here I have a lot of storage containers that I like from Dollar Tree. This is to store some small condiments. And I got 5 of each, and this one is really cool. It can be in an angle. You all might have seen it, and it occupies less space. You can put like next to each other. And I got this one. This is also so cool. I got 5 of these as well, and a bigger storage containers. And this also, I got 5 of this. Some measuring container if she wants to bake some cake or something. Here it is. Have you seen this wall tab? You can put it in your plug, and you can have like 6 points that you can use. So I thought this will be like really helpful for her. So I got one of these, and some of the stitching kit, emergency stitching kit. Let me show you what it has. Got a lot of stuff to start with, the basic stuff. Anything that she needs to stitch quickly, this will be helpful. It has a whole kit. Got needles, tiny scissor, everything, and some cabinet shelves, some cutting board, salt pepper shaker, some kitchen towels, pot holders, some more pot holders, and the oven mitt, whisk, small one, the big one, knife, some measuring utensils, some brush to oil, and some coasters. They're so cool. Some Dollar Tree magnets, and one of the sign that I got over the fridge, and some dry erase board which you can stick on the refrigerator. And I got some incense sticks, some candles, and some LED fairy lights. And this is one of the plate and a tray. Some push pins, clear ones, and something to hold in the drawers or cabinets. I found this animal section, pet section, some bandana. It had like nice checks to it. What's this called? Buffalo plate. So I'm going to use this for one of my upcoming craft. So I thought it should be good. And I got this mesh bags for washer dryer for tiny things like socks or inner garments. If you just, it'll be useful to put it in the washer. So I got this, comes in 3-pack. So this is one. Thought it'll be useful. Some scissors, all-purpose scissors. Some pop dot tape. They come in like 3 different sizes. And I think this is really a very helpful product. And some clear tape, some invisible tape, and this one also, mailing tape, and some mailing labels. I'm going to create some labels to all the containers and some more labels. Some utility knife set. So I have so many cardboard boxes that came in moving. So I'm going to do some projects with that. So I got some crafting supplies, got some tacking glue, some white glue. I need to buy glue gun and glue sticks, and some white and black paint. So basic paint that I got. And I got some decorative nautical rope in jute and in nautical cotton rope. And so these are some table covers. I'm going to do some covering up the boxes with this stuff. I couldn't find like plain white, so I'm going to use that, cut off those letters and use it. And some craft clamps, some foam brushes, and some furniture markers. I like these colors, darker ones. I wanted darker ones. And some double-sided marker and some letters. And this is the twine. I'm going to use this to decorate and create some more organizational stuff for using those cardboard boxes. So I'm going to create some more videos on that, so please stay tuned too. See, so you can set up a simple apartment for your children or anybody using Dollar Tree supplies, and you can start something like this. So I thought I wanted to share with you all what I actually got and how I'm going to arrange it. So I'm also going to create a video how I'm going to decorate her apartment. So yeah, please stay tuned to it. And like I always say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.